We are a manufacturer of hydraulic hoses and fittings. We select high-quality raw material and strict quality control system. We use advanced high-speed wire joint machines controlled by PLC. High-strength steel wire can ensure the pressure resistance of the hose reinforcement layer. This is the process of our inner rubber extrusion. The inner rubber extruder is computer-controlled to accurately control the hose diameter. The rubber needs to be cooled and shaped in cold water. After rolling, wait for the steel wire to be wound or braided. Before weaving, the inner rubber needs to be cooled and shaped in a freezer. And then a German technology braiding machine is used to weave 1 or 2 layers of reinforcement. We have production standards to execute each step. When weaving or winding, workers will check the outer diameter and spacing of the steel wire. It can ensure that the braiding angle meets the standard. The working mode is 3x3. For braiding without any joints to ensure working pressure. Start extruding the outer rubber. Similar to the inner rubber, the smooth surface or the wrapped surface can be customized. Also supports letter film. After strict production quality control, proof pressure test, post-test, and other product tests are required to ensure that customers receive qualified products. Qualified products are packaged and shipped quickly. Our orders will be shipped on time. Please feel free to contact us for any needs.